The powerful Vac King CVAC20CCSS 3-in-1 stainless steel carpet cleaner is designed for quick and efficient cleaning of carpets, car upholstery, curtains and workshop floors. Perfect for regular deep cleaning as well as those occasional spills, it is ideal for home, DIY and trade professionals alike. This heavy-duty carpet cleaner delivers extreme suction with its powerful 1400-watt motor, and a detergent dispensing function makes quick work of even the most stubborn dirt. The 20-litre rust-resistant industrial stainless steel tank allows for prolonged cleaning to get the job completed. The CVAC20CCSS is provided with multiple nozzles and can be conveniently stored on the main body of the product, ensuring that they are always close to hand. Fitted with wheels for easy mobility, the hose has a length of 2.1 meters. Coupled with a 4.43 meter mains cable, this allows easy access into hard-to-reach areas for thorough cleaning. It has a removable bag to enable you to switch between vacuuming dust or liquid, and it features a dust shaking function to avoid clogging. It can also be used as a blower. So, with its powerful 1400-watt motor and stainless steel tank, the Vac King CVAC20CCSS 3-in-1 stainless steel carpet cleaner is the ideal cleaner for any home, office or workshop.